the Principality Stadium. Are you so naive, men and women of Wales, that you cannot see the intent via a British establishment of belittling your country, calling our national stadium the Principality? Are you so naive that you cannot see that bidding can be easily influenced by financial purposes to belittle our country, to belittle our land? Can you see, when you look around our country, can you see the misery, the nullifying, painful misery of the people of our lands? Good men and women of Wales, are you happy to wear the 3 feathers of a false prince upon your shirt? Can you only really experience your hero through such means of sport? Do you not understand the Roman Colosseum effect? Look at the people on the streets, look at the jobs ripped from the hands of fathers and mothers. Look at the depression in our lands, continually perpetrated by Big Pharma, pumping crap into our children's souls. The Principality. Are you really that naive? You cannot see the intent by the British establishment of belittling our very own Cymru? Are you so far gone and so your head in the clouds full of materialism and self that you cannot see what they are doing to our lands? Stripping our NHS to pieces? The Principality. Remember, land of my fathers.